Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the 70mm dashcam M500. You can get this product on Amazon for about $120. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality dashcam. The dashcam comes with a power cord, a USB car charger, a bracket, two electrostatic stickers, a wiring crowbar and a user manual. The electrostatic sticker shows you how to install the camera on the windshield. The dashcam is small and lightweight. It only has a power button and a USB port. There is also a 70mm hardwire kit available to install the dashcam in your car. The hardwire kit is required if you want to use the dashcam's 24-hour parking surveillance. It comes with a short user manual. The dashcam is easy to set up and it works pretty good. It has a very nice picture quality. Unfortunately, the 70mm app is not very good and it's not so convenient to download recordings. I hope they will improve it with future updates. I tested the dashcam for a few weeks and I think it's a very nice product. So if you are looking for a dashcam with a nice picture quality, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, I would recommend the 70mm dashcam M500. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.